Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Happy Thursday. Hope you had a great trading day yesterday. And let's review S&P 500, all major indices, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, Russell 2000, gold, silver, Bitcoin, and Ethereum crypto, and all other major FANG stocks we'll be reviewing, and all other commodities as well. Have a quick look. And if you like the content, please hit the like button. Only takes you 1 second to hit the like. I would really appreciate, and share this with your friends and family. All content is free, so something to learn about. All right. So we'll start with SPX. This is cycle chart. This is daily chart of S&P 500, and you can see focus on this yellow cycle. For now, we are in a rising phase. Okay, in a rising phase, we should be rising, and that's what I have it pointed here. And all my subscribers now, I was telling them this, that we are in a rising phase, so we'll be keep going higher, and that's what happened. You can see here. Yesterday we were up 0.86%, and you can see we are just like touching green, which is 10 moving average, and just keep going higher. And I'm expecting this to continue until mid of I will say second week of April. You can see this is where cycle is stopping, so going higher next 2 weeks, and then comes a little bit down. Then that's where this declining phase is. I think the major weakness will be coming here, which is end of May, but we will talk when we reach there. But for now, focus on rising phase, and then some weakness coming by the end of April, and then we're going to have another rising phase. Okay, for now, sorry, we're going higher, and that's what the entire market should do. So look for higher prices in entire market. So keep that framework in mind, and let's just review and our futures here. So what we will do now, we will do side by side comparison. Those who are new, left side is only for day trading chart for today's trade, and right side is daily chart for longer term trading and swing trading. Okay, so red lines are resistances where you would like to short or sell. Green lines are support where you would like to buy, or if you're shorting, you should be covering. Okay, so you can see what happened here on S&P 500. So this is side by side MES live future. You can see we dipped from sell zone, we came to the buy zone on Tuesday, and then we had a massive bounce from buy zone towards the sell zone. And now again we were like over very higher here in the sell zone. Basically end of day we got a massive rally yesterday, and now look where we are. So look at the levels right now. We touched just the sell zone just this morning around 8:30, and now we're just consolidating just below that. So the levels for today are 53.13 and up sell zone, and 52.80 and below is the buy zone. And you can take a screenshot of this. You can pause the video, and if you want to take a screenshot of this, you can get an idea of what the levels are. Also, there's a free Discord group link in the description of this video. You can join, and if you want to know the levels, I say share this with my subscribers. Let me know your YouTube ID, and I will add you to the members access group. Every few hours I post these levels, and that helps you make the right decision on a daily day trading trade. All right, so again, so we are near neutral zone. Look to sell above 53.12, look to buy below 52.81. And let's look at MNQ, which is Nasdaq. Nasdaq's also very similar story, near neutral zone. Look to buy below 18,400 and look to sell above 18,578. All right, so that's where you can see when I'm moving my cursor here, you will see all these green, white, and red and yellow line will act as support. Okay, so when price is moving, the price should find support in one of these green or white moving average lines. All right. Dow Jones, all right. So Dow Jones, US 30, you can see we are in the sell zone right now. So this is where I should be looking to take profits, looking for some weakness in Dow Jones. Russell 2000, a massive pump yesterday, came to the sell zone, all right. This is where you should be looking for some weakness in the morning or at the open. I think it's going to go down near neutral zone before it bounces again, all right. Let's look at some major FANG stocks. Tesla, and Tesla is in the neutral zone, down pre-market a little bit. I don't know, maybe some news coming, something with Webull, Wedbush, sorry, they're revising targets. That's okay, and you can see is now in the neutral zone. I think the next target for Tesla, there are two gaps here. Okay, one gap is 172, around 172, and the second gap is here 163. So it is quite possible we could come all the way down to fill this gap and then bounce if they decide to dump it. Else we will go higher. There are so many, all these yellow lines are the top gaps to target. So on the top side, bull side, I have first gap 188.808. That's what this downward sloping 50 simple moving average is coming red line. That's the first target to fill, and let's see if that happens. All right. Apple had a nice day yesterday. Nice bounce. Closed above both green and yellow, white line, which is 10 and 20 moving average, which is a very, very good, uh, good good move by Apple. It has to stay above that. All right. So you can see yesterday it came from sell zone to the buy zone. Nice bounce, and you could have made nice profits here. I shared this with my subscribers, and even yesterday I was giving you this level. So 2.64% bounce, nice. Now it's bounced now in the neutral zone. You can see 170 and below look to buy and sell above 173.63. Gold is in the sell zone, all right. So trying to go towards new highs, and in the sell zone, look for weakness in gold. Not interested in buying gold here. Silver is in the neutral. I will be interested in buying silver. Still room to go. Look to buy below 24.318. Crude oil also in the sell zone. Nice moves here, going higher in the sell zone. Natural gas came very close to the buy zone. Actually, it was in the buy zone for a while yesterday, now bouncing. So this gap is still not filled. So that's my target to buy 1.6986. So let's see if we can get that gaps at some point. Bitcoin. Nice, just doing a flag. Okay, so above all moving averages, just consolidating, which is good. You can see it came to the buy zone yesterday. I told this to my subscriber, shared a screenshot, and then bounced from there. All right, so you can see one touch, two touch, three touch in the buy zone, and now it's 3.68% higher from when it touched the buy zone. So easy trades on Bitcoin, guys, if you can just follow this indicator. And one other thing on BTC futures, let me show you here. On BTC future, there was a gap which is filled. I just deleted that gap, but I just want to show you. You can see this gap here. This was a gap up on Tuesday, 26th of March. They gapped up and then they came back to fill this gap. You can see that gap is filled. Now it's going higher. So things are looking good and bullish for Bitcoin here. Okay, and it's the fact that it's flagging. It could be now getting higher for 80,000 level sooner than later. Ethereum, the levels Ethereum going to neutral zone again, bounce from buy zone. Nice buy zone buy here, almost 3.67% higher. Now it's in the neutral zone. Wait for it to go below 34.86 to buy again. Again, same thing, consolidating below 20 moving average and in between 10 moving average. So just flagging. Let's see it can bounce. Let's see. It looks like it wants to bounce. It will do what Bitcoin does. Hang Seng Index, China. Let's look at China here. You can see nice higher highs, higher lows since it broke out of this downward sloping trend line. Higher high, brag test, higher high. You can see higher than previous high and just consolidating in the neutral zone right now. So yesterday it was in the sell zone. Nice dump, whoever did it. Nice. It was a juicy shot from here and you could have easily made 1.6% to the downside move. All right, let's keep moving. Let's see commodities. The major commodities, copper. Copper is in the coming closer to buy zone. All right. Palladium. Palladium is getting closer to sell zone. Soybeans. Soybeans is getting closer to buy zone. Sugar cane is in the sell zone already, just touching it right now. Wheat. Wheat is in the neutral zone. Corn. And corn is in the buy zone. All right. So very, very nice moves in the corn. You can look to buy. Look at major FANG stocks. Google right now is going towards sell zone. All right. Netflix is in the buy zone. Okay, nice. There's a gap here, 1607. So maybe it wants to fill that gap, but nice buy zone here. Amazon is in the neutral zone towards near neutral and sell zone. Meta, Facebook is near buy zone. Microsoft is in the getting what touch buy zone now in the neutral zone. Pre-market Snowflakes is pumping pre-market 2% pump in the sell zone right now. NVDA is should be in the buy zone, I think, if I'm not wrong. You can see it's in the buy zone. You should be looking to buy NVIDIA right now. Very, very juicy time to buy it. If you missed it, don't complain. Nobody told you before. AVGO in the neutral zone. There's a gap 1276. Maybe it wants to fill that. Look to buy there. And AMD also in the neutral zone. And Intel also nice pump yesterday, 4%, and right now touching the sell zone. And last we can do Shopify is also in the neutral zone. VIX, let's see VIX up 7%, 1.72%. So you can see making higher lows, but it's a bull market. Like I said, I'm expecting a rising S&P 500. You can see here rising face. So I'm expecting VIX to dump. All right, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Please hit the like button on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.